Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. Took a buddy out to Savage Mill, Maryland. We hooked into some fish. They stock it out there regularly in the fall, winter time. We got to catch some of those stock trout. It's a 2-day limit. We didn't keep any this time, but it was a lot of fun, so check it out.
You got one? Yes, sir.
Got it?
Where you at? Bring him in a little bit. Bring him to me. Oh no.
Did I lose him?
Where'd he go?
I totally lost him.
Where'd he go? Yeah, he came off.
Damn.
You got him right here though.
I almost had him.
Oh, there's more in there. That's a catch. Damn, that sucks.
Next time.
Yeah. Next time, get that green line just to the tip of your rod.
Okay.
And lift up. I'll put them in.
My bad.
No, you're good.
That was awesome.
That's awesome.
I finally caught one with you.
Yep. What's that? You lost it?
No. Struck it. Oh, you got one.
About time. Look at that, guys. Got a little stock rainbow. Coming right out of this run here. Feisty. Look at that guy. Okay. Get back. Get back. Yeah, alright. Zach, you should move up here. Yeah. Make them look as big as possible. Yeah, that's sick.
I'll send that to you.
Yeah, so you're left-handed?
I am. So I just...
So you're gonna be casting like this?
What's up?
Um,
You cast like that. I'm weird.
no, you're alright. So would it be better for you to be on this side of me or this side of me?
100% on your left side.
On my left side? So
Because I'll cast.
yeah,
we'll
so
cast
go up here and cast in this run. They're right in the middle and close to your legs, so. But that was first cast right in the middle. I remember we were catching them here the last time too. It looks like they all moved up into this run. Are you in a tree already? Oh,
puppy, though.
I lost him.
Sorry.
What's that?
Sorry.
What happened?
The puppy's gone.
The puppy.
The fly.
Oh, you need a new fly?
Yeah. Sorry.
Do you have those worms?
Yeah.
Throw a worm on.
Okay.
It seemed like anything that we put on that was pink color,
They would eat.
they would eat. he had this, it was like a normal fly, but it was just all pink.
How big? Like a bigger one or a smaller one?
If you have a smaller one, do a smaller one. Fish. Oh, no. Yep.
Got me?
Gotcha. Bring him in. We got time. Lift your rod up, straight up. Come here, you little bastard.
Ah! Yes!
Good
Oh my
job,
god,
buddy.
can you take a picture for me?
Yeah, I got it on video
I
too.
love you so much. Dude, thank you so much.
Yeah.
That was the move. Hold on one sec.
Sweet. Congrats, brother.
Ooh. Missed the...
Oh, he's alright.
There he is.
Yeah, he'll chill for a little bit. Nice.
Ha!
Good job.
Oh, shit, that felt good.
Zach, come down here. Pretty rainbow. Here's a little gimpy fin. It's a good way to tell if they're stocked or not. This little gimpy fin right there. Right there, Ellie. Oh, here comes the rain. You got one? I got you. I'm coming. Hold him, Scoot. You got the net? Careful. We got time.
Where is it?
It's right there. What is that?
I don't know, but I got it. That's a big rainbow. Can you take a picture for me?
Yeah.
Yay!
That's a good rainbow.
Fist bump.
Nice fish.
I did it.
Nice. Killer, bro.
My hands
Yeah.
are... Yeah, sorry.
Yeah.
Thanks, bud.